Ultra-processed foods and brain health unveiling the hidden impacts. 1. Introduction. In recent years there has been a significant surge in the consumption of ultra-processed foods UPFs. These foods, which are heavily processed and contain numerous additives, have become a staple in many diets worldwide due to their convenience and palatability. However, emerging research suggests that UPFs might have detrimental effects on our health, particularly brain health. This video delves into the complex relationship between ultra-processed foods and brain health, exploring the scientific evidence, mechanisms, and potential consequences. 2. Understanding ultra-processed foods. Ultra-processed foods are industrial formulations made entirely or mostly from substances extracted from foods oils, fats, sugar, starch, and proteins and additives such as flavor enhancers, colors, emulsifiers, and preservatives. Common examples include packaged snacks and sweets, sugary drinks, instant noodles and soups, reconstituted meat products, pre-prepared frozen meals. These foods are designed to be hyper-palatable and convenient, often at the expense of nutritional quality. They are typically high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium, while being low in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 3. The link between ultra-processed foods and brain health. Cognitive function and memory. Numerous studies have linked the consumption of UPFs with impaired cognitive function and memory decline. For instance, a study published in JAMA Neurology found that individuals who consumed higher amounts of UPFs had a faster rate of cognitive decline compared to those who consumed fewer UPFs. The cognitive domains most affected included memory, executive function, and language. One potential explanation for this association is the impact of UPFs on brain structure and function. UPFs are often high in unhealthy fats and sugars, which can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are known to damage brain cells and impair synaptic plasticity, which is crucial for learning and memory. Mental health disorders. The consumption of UPFs has also been linked to an increased risk of mental health disorders, such as depression and anxiety. A study published in the journal Public Health Nutrition found that individuals who consumed a diet high in UPFs had higher rates of depression and anxiety symptoms compared to those who consumed a diet rich in whole foods. Several mechanisms may underlie this association. UPFs often contain high levels of sugar and unhealthy fats, which can disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain. Additionally, the additives and preservatives in UPFs can interfere with the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain that plays a crucial role in regulating mood and behavior. 4. Mechanisms underlying the impact of ultra-processed foods on brain health. Inflammation and oxidative stress. One of the primary mechanisms through which UPFs affect brain health is through the induction of inflammation and oxidative stress. UPFs are typically high in refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and additives, all of which can contribute to chronic low-grade inflammation. Chronic inflammation has been implicated in the development of various neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. Oxidative stress, which occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, can also damage brain cells and impair cognitive function. UPFs are often low in antioxidants, which are essential for neutralizing free radicals and protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. Gut-brain axis disruption. The gut-brain axis is a complex communication network that links the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, with the enteric nervous system, the gut. This axis plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health and regulating mood and behavior. Emerging research suggests that UPFs can disrupt the gut-brain axis by altering the composition of the gut microbiota, the community of microorganisms that reside in the digestive tract. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are critical for regulating mood and cognitive function. UPFs, particularly those high in sugar and unhealthy fats, can promote the growth of harmful bacteria and reduce the abundance of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, can lead to increased intestinal permeability, allowing harmful substances to enter the bloodstream and reach the brain, where they can induce inflammation and impair cognitive function. Nutritional deficiencies. UPFs are typically low in essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining brain health. For instance, B vitamins, particularly B6, B9 folate, and B12, play a vital role in brain function and cognitive health. Deficiencies in these vitamins have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and mental health disorders. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundant in fish and other whole foods, are essential for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. They have anti-inflammatory properties and are critical for synaptic plasticity and neurotransmitter function. UPFs are often high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation when consumed in excess, and low in omega-3 fatty acids, leading to an imbalance that can adversely affect brain health. 5. The role of additives and preservatives. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, commonly found in diet sodas and other low-calorie UPFs, have been a subject of controversy regarding their impact on brain health. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners can disrupt the gut microbiota, leading to dysbiosis and impaired gut-brain axis function. Additionally, there is evidence that artificial sweeteners can affect the brain's reward system, potentially leading to increased cravings for sweet foods and promoting unhealthy eating behaviors. Preservatives and emulsifiers. Preservatives and emulsifiers are added to UPFs to extend their shelf life and improve texture. However, these additives can have detrimental effects on brain health. For instance, studies have shown that certain preservatives, such as sodium benzoate, can induce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Emulsifiers, such as carboxymethylcellulose and polysorbate 80, have been shown to alter the gut microbiota and increase intestinal permeability, potentially leading to neuroinflammation and cognitive impairment. 6. Socioeconomic and behavioral factors. The consumption of UPFs is often influenced by socioeconomic and behavioral factors. Individuals with lower socioeconomic status may have limited access to healthy, whole foods, and may rely more heavily on affordable, convenient UPFs. Additionally, marketing and advertising of UPFs often target children and adolescents, promoting unhealthy eating habits from a young age. Behavioral factors, such as stress and lack of time for meal preparation, can also contribute to the consumption of UPFs. Stress, in particular, has been shown to increase cravings for high-sugar, high-fat foods, which are often found in UPFs. Moreover, the convenience of UPFs makes them an attractive option for individuals with busy lifestyles, who may not have the time or resources to prepare healthy meals. 7. Mitigating the impact of ultra-processed foods on brain health. Dietary interventions. One of the most effective ways to mitigate the impact of UPFs on brain health is through dietary interventions. Adopting a diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, can provide the essential nutrients needed for optimal brain function. The Mediterranean diet, in particular, has been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 8. Practical tips for reducing ultra-processed food consumption. Read food labels. One of the first steps in reducing UPF consumption is becoming more aware of what you're eating. Reading food labels can help you identify UPFs and choose healthier alternatives. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home using fresh ingredients allows you to control what goes into your food. This can help you avoid the unhealthy additives and preservatives found in UPFs. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you avoid the temptation of quick, processed options. It also allows you to ensure that your meals are balanced and nutritious. Snack wisely. Instead of reaching for packaged snacks, opt for whole food alternatives like fruits, nuts, and yogurt. These snacks provide essential nutrients without the added sugars and unhealthy fats found in many UPFs. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger. Drinking plenty of water can help you stay hydrated and reduce cravings for sugary, processed foods. 9. Conclusion. The growing body of evidence linking ultra-processed foods to poor brain health underscores the importance of dietary choices in maintaining cognitive function and mental well-being. While the convenience and palatability of UPFs can make them difficult to avoid, understanding their potential impact on brain health is crucial for making informed dietary decisions. By prioritizing whole foods and adopting healthier eating habits, we can protect our brain health and improve our overall quality of life.